What if the glasses on your face could see, think, translate, and remember everything around you? These 20 AI smart glasses are so advanced, they seriously feel illegal to wear. So let's get started. MemoMind One AI Glasses. These glasses might know what you need before you even reach for your phone. MemoMind One puts AI right in your line of sight, helping you capture information, get real-time assistance, and interact with the world more naturally. The crazy part? It looks surprisingly close to regular eyewear. No giant headset, no futuristic helmet, just AI sitting on your face. And once glasses start remembering and assisting this much, things get seriously wild. Oakley Meta Vanguard. These might be the most aggressive AI glasses Meta has ever put on your face. Oakley Meta Vanguard combines a bold performance design with hands-free AI, letting you capture moments, ask questions, play audio, and stay connected without constantly grabbing your phone. But here's the wild part. AI is now being built directly into eyewear made for movement and action. Your glasses aren't just protecting your eyes anymore. They're becoming a wearable AI assistant that goes everywhere you do. Oakley Meta HSTN. What if your sunglasses could see what you see and answer questions without you touching your phone? Oakley Meta HSTN packs Meta AI, a built-in camera, open-ear speakers, and hands-free voice control into a seriously clean Oakley design. You can capture POV moments, play music, take calls, and ask AI about the world around you. The craziest part? To everyone else, they just look like premium sunglasses, but there's an AI assistant hiding inside. Ray-Ban Meta says Gen 2. These glasses are getting dangerously close to becoming a smartphone for your face. Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 combines a built-in camera, open-ear audio, hands-free controls, and Meta AI inside frames that look almost completely normal. You can capture POV videos, take calls, listen to music, and ask AI questions without pulling out your phone. And that's what makes them feel so unreal. People might not even realize they're looking at one of the smartest wearables on the planet. BleeqUp Ranger AI Glasses. These AI glasses feel like they were designed for a real-life action movie. BleeqUp Ranger combines an AI-powered camera, open-ear audio, and hands-free smart features inside sporty frames built for cycling and outdoor adventures. It can capture your POV while AI helps organize and highlight key moments from your footage. The wild part? You can ride, record, listen, and stay connected without constantly touching your phone. It's basically an AI action camera hiding right on your face. Brilliant Labs frame. These glasses look almost normal, but the AI hiding inside is seriously next level. Brilliant Labs frame puts a multimodal AI assistant right in front of your eyes, using its camera, microphone, and display to understand what you're seeing and respond in real time. It can translate languages, recognize objects, and surface digital information without forcing you to grab your phone. The crazy part? This is open-source AI eyewear, meaning developers can push these glasses into territory we haven't even imagined yet. Solo's AirGo Vision. What if your glasses could actually understand what you're looking at? Solo's AirGo Vision brings AI-powered vision, a built-in camera, and hands-free voice interaction directly to your face. You can ask questions about objects, translate signs, capture photos, and get real-time AI assistance without constantly reaching for your phone. But here's the crazy part. These frames are modular, so the smart components can move between compatible styles. It's basically an AI assistant with eyes, hiding inside everyday eyewear. Looktech AI Glasses. These glasses don't just see your world, they're designed to remember it. Looktech AI Glasses combine a built-in camera, voice interaction, and AI-powered assistance to capture moments, answer questions, and organize everyday information without pulling out your phone. Imagine asking your glasses about something you saw hours ago and getting useful context back. That's where things start feeling almost creepy. They look like normal frames, but behind the lenses is an AI companion quietly paying attention to your day. Halliday AI Glasses. These AI glasses can put answers in front of your eye without anyone around you even noticing. Halliday AI Glasses use a tiny near-eye display to show live translations, navigation, notifications, and AI-powered information directly in your vision. You can even use them like a hidden teleprompter during conversations or presentations. And here's the crazy part. The display is designed to stay private to the wearer. To everyone else, you're just wearing glasses, while AI is secretly feeding you information. Quark AI Glasses. These glasses are so light and smart, they could make pulling out your phone feel ancient. Quark AI Glasses bring real-time translation, AI voice assistance, calls, music, and hands-free information directly into everyday eyewear. Just ask a question, and the built-in AI can help without forcing you to stare at a screen. But the wildest part is how normal they look. From the outside, they're stylish glasses, while inside, an AI assistant is basically waiting for your next command. TECNO AI Glasses Pro. These glasses look stylish, but the AI inside feels straight out of a spy movie. TECNO AI Glasses Pro combines a built-in camera with Ella AI, letting you ask questions, translate languages, recognize objects, and get hands-free assistance in real time. You can even capture first-person photos and videos without reaching for your phone. The wild part? All of this tech is packed into frames that look surprisingly normal. Your sunglasses are officially becoming an AI-powered second pair of eyes. Meizu StarV Snap AI Glasses. These AI glasses can capture your world before you even think about reaching for your phone. Meizu StarV Snap packs a built-in camera, hands-free voice control, AI assistance, and smart audio into a lightweight pair of everyday frames. You can record POV moments, ask AI questions, and stay connected while keeping your hands completely free. But here's the crazy part. They look surprisingly normal. It's like wearing a hidden AI camera and personal assistant directly on your face. Sharge Loomos AI Glasses. These AI glasses are basically a body camera, voice assistant, and memory machine hiding on your face. Sharge Loomos packs a 16-megapixel camera, AI voice interaction, open-ear audio, and hands-free POV recording into surprisingly normal-looking frames. You can capture moments, ask questions, take calls, and record what you see without grabbing your phone. The craziest part? Pair them with the optional neckband, and you get extra power for longer adventures. That's wearable AI getting seriously hard to ignore. Mentra AI Glasses. These glasses could turn your everyday life into a live AI feed. Mentra AI Glasses pack a camera, open-ear audio, microphones, and hands-free AI features into lightweight frames built for all-day wear. You can capture POV moments, interact with AI, and even live stream what you're seeing without holding a phone. But here's the wild part. The platform is designed for AI apps, meaning developers can keep adding new abilities. These aren't just smart glasses. They're a wearable AI computer hiding on your face. Dymesty AI Smart Glasses. These glasses could destroy the language barrier without you ever touching a phone. Dymesty AI Smart Glasses bring real-time translation, voice interaction, open-ear audio, and hands-free AI assistance into lightweight everyday frames. Imagine hearing a foreign language and getting instant help while you're still in the conversation. You can take calls, listen to audio, and interact with AI on the move. The crazy part? They look like normal glasses while quietly turning every conversation into an AI-powered experience. OHO Sunshine AI Glasses. These glasses might make language barriers feel completely outdated. OHO Sunshine AI Glasses combine real-time AI translation, open-ear audio, voice control, and hands-free communication inside frames that look surprisingly normal. Imagine talking to someone in another language while AI helps bridge the conversation right from your glasses. You can also take calls, listen to music, and stay connected without reaching for your phone. The wild part? Your everyday eyewear is quietly becoming a personal AI translator. RayNeo X3 Pro. These glasses don't just use AI, they put a full digital world directly in front of your eyes. RayNeo X3 Pro combines full-color micro-LED displays, AI-powered translation, navigation, and visual assistance inside surprisingly compact frames. You can see directions, read translated text, and access smart information without constantly checking your phone. But here's the insane part. Digital content appears right in your real-world view. This isn't just wearable tech anymore. It feels like giving your eyes a futuristic AI upgrade. Pickle 1. These AI glasses are designed to remember the things your brain forgets. Pickle 1 acts like a wearable AI memory assistant, capturing context from your daily life and helping you recall important details later. Imagine asking your glasses what someone told you hours ago, or pulling up information from a conversation you barely remember. That's where things get seriously wild. Instead of just showing notifications, Pickle One is trying to become a second memory for your brain, and that feels almost too futuristic. XREAL One Ease. These glasses can turn almost any screen into a massive private display floating right in front of your eyes. XREAL 1S brings immersive spatial viewing, sharp visuals, and a lightweight wearable design that makes phones, laptops, and handheld gaming feel completely different. Imagine watching movies or working on a giant virtual screen while everyone around you sees absolutely nothing. The crazy part? This kind of futuristic display tech now fits inside glasses you can carry almost anywhere. Samsung Galaxy Glasses. Samsung Galaxy Glasses could be the device that finally makes your smartphone feel outdated. Powered by next-gen AI and built around an immersive smart glasses experience, these futuristic frames could bring navigation, live information, voice assistance, and digital content directly into your view. Imagine getting answers without touching a screen or checking directions without looking down. If Samsung gets this right, your next Galaxy device might not live in your pocket. It could be sitting right on your face. AI smart glasses are getting so powerful, the line between wearable tech and real-life superpowers is disappearing fast. So, which pair would you actually wear every day? Drop your pick in the comments, hit subscribe for more insane future tech, and I'll see you in the next one.